Hey guys, welcome back to another 3D printing video. In this video we're going to be checking out Creality CR6 SE. So this is Creality new offering, so kind of improving in the very right modeling of the industry. Creality has been making very nice machine. I'm very excited to see what this one has to offer. In this video I'm going to unbox it, set it out and doing some print. So let's get started. Alright, so this is the box that the CR6 come in. It's a very nice box that has a picture. There's not too much information on it, so we're gonna let's go and open it and see what we have inside on it. So basically when you open up the printer, here we can see that there's some information related to the printer, as you can see guys here. If you open up the main parts, components of the printer, here we have the basic parameters, the printing size, the molding tech, the number of nozzles. Here we have the part list related to the printer and how to install the frame, and also the installation of the rack and how to start up the printer. So basically it shouldn't be really hard to install it. For information, we have this one for notice and cautions of use. We have also the sticker, Creality, very nice. We have this form on the top. Creality is always doing a good job on packing their printers. The main components, as you can see, here we have the screen itself, very nice. The spool holder, yeah, it's rotating on its side. This is the handle of the printer itself from the top. Couple of screws that goes inside this guy. Allen keys. Here you have nuts and bolts. Here you have the spool holder. White PLA from Creality itself, very nice. As we move further guys, what we see on the bottom, we see that we have the gantry. It's like it's completely built. Let's get it out and see. The final part in this printer, in this box, is the base frame. The base frame is pretty heavy. As you can see guys, the printer is packed everywhere, and this type of packaging is really appreciated. Alright, and here we have the base of the printer, and what's nice about the CR6 is that we have the power supply, and here we can see under the printer is very nice. I like the attention of the details of the quality panel. Here you can see with a nice finishing and very compact as well. We're gonna take a closer look on this and see. Here we have the plastic compartment. Alright, looks like on the base here we can have some place where you can find very nice the way it was made. So you can have here several items. This is a wrench, A10. We have here a sucker spanner, a nozzle cleaner, two nozzles made in brass, a storage card and a card reader. This is the card reader of 8 gigs. A diagonal plier. Yeah. Have the power supply, and also here we have the motherboard and all step drivers. And while we're down here, I want to show you we have really big rubber feet. That's kind of interesting because it's gonna dampen our vibration when the printer is wet. That's a good presentation. So if we have it now, let's open up and see what's inside here. Here we can see the power supply 350 24 volts, and the way it wired is really clean. And on the side, let's open it out and we see. Here we have the circuit wiring, and the fan is over there, is directly connected. From here you have the power input, and throughout you have the hotbed power output. And what's important, here you have the fuse. Also on this side you have the cable port 1, 2, almost there are 2 cable ports. From the other side here you have the y-axis, the z-axis, the z1 and z2. So we're going to show it to you. It's going to be here on this side. And the storage is just right here, the big one. Micro USB port is here. As you guys can see it, here we have the screen interface. So this one is going into the screen interface that we're gonna be connecting on one of these sides. And there's a photoelectric switch port. The photoelectric switch port gonna be on one of these guys that you see here. Usually they put it here. Actually, before we assemble, we have to be sure here the gantry is not wobbling. And the way to check that, we see that we're gonna have to adjust the essential nuts. If you guys can see here, that right in there are 2 of them. One side is the hard point and the other one is just turning loose. It's a little bit hard to get in there because there's just a small basin here. If you just flip it around here, you can see that nuts. And from the nuts, we just turn it just a little bit from here. Hey guys, since the machine is made now, let's just start up. I'm really excited to see how it will work. First, I'm gonna peel this one off. Let's power on the machine. Pair, print, control, and auto level. And from down here we can see the temperature of the nozzle, and there is the temperature of the bed, the fan, and also the z-axis level. Let's just level it. We press on it and go to auto level. They're asking us to wait for the nozzle to heat up at 120. So as you see guys, it's gonna go until 16 sparks. So we just wait. And here it's heating up the nozzle. It's moving quite fast compared to other printers. Yeah, it's gonna jump soon to 120. And after that, we just start auto leveling the bed. These are the product that we made with the CR6 SE. Here we have the dinosaur. If you take a closer look guys, here all of the parts were made in one shot. The design was taken from Thingiverse. And here, if I bring it, you can see the layer height. It was made at 0.1 millimeter, so it's really nice and clean. Here goes our dinosaur. The second one, we have this one from Thingiverse as well. Yeah, it's me, my name. And if you guys check the finishing quality that we have from this printer, it's quite impressive. Another one is this pig we made from the CR6 SE. And finally guys, we have this one, the iPhone case. I'm gonna try it into my iPhone and let you know. It did fit quite well inside, if you guys check. And the quality finishing of this printer is astonishingly good. So far guys, these are the items that were made from the CR6 SE. Don't forget to subscribe, and also if you like hit the like button, and please do share with your friends. Peace.